these things. Anybody willing to work for your own mental health? It's work. I'm not going to lie to you. It's work. I'm hoping that as I'm sharing my journey and sharing my process with you, not only will it encourage you to prioritize your mental health, but it'll show you that you have the tools necessary to do it. So one of the things that made it very difficult for me to ask for help is because I had no idea what mental health was. So when I do these talks, I like to break it down, make it super simple. Mental health is a state of well-being. Mental health is what? A state of well-being. That's it. Mental health does not mean crazy. Mental health does not mean weak. Mental health does not mean any of these other things that we associate with mental health. Mental health is that's it. It's a state of well-being. It's a person's condition with regard to their psychological, their emotional, and I also like to add their social well-being. How are we interacting with each other? It all ties together, and that's mental health. Mental health is in everything. If you're not doing well mentally, you'll start to see how it affects every other area of your life.